Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Senvik LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing about when the right of private defense of property extends to cause death. In the last video we have discussed when the right of private defense of body extends to cause death. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get IPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. In what cases the right of private defense of property extends to cause death of the offender? Section 103 of the Indian Penal Code says the right of private defense of property extends under the restrictions mentioned in section 99 to the voluntarily causing of death or of any other harm to the wrongdoer if the offense the committing of which or the attempting to commit which occasions the exercise of the right be an offense of any of the descriptions hereinafter enumerated. Here is some of the offenses where you can exercise, or in that case or in that particular situation you can exercise your right of private defense for protecting your property and can even cause death to the offender. So what are the offenses? First is robbery. Second, housebreaking by night. Thirdly, mischief by fire committed on any building, tent or vessel, which building, tent or vessel is used as a human dwelling or as a place for the custody of property. Fourthly, in case of theft, mischief or house trespass, under such circumstances as may be reasonably cause apprehension that death or grievous hurt will be the consequence. Now we will come to section 104. What this section deals with? This section deals when the right of private defense extends to cause any harm other than death. Section 104 of the IPC says if the offense the committing of which or the attempting to commit which occasions the exercise of the right of private defense be theft, mischief or criminal trespass not of any of the descriptions enumerated in the last preceding section, that right does not extend to the voluntary causing of death but does extend, subject to the restrictions mentioned in section 99, to the voluntary causing to the wrongdoer of any harm other than death. When in any other case that is not mentioned in section 103 of the IPC, or this section means if in any case the last section, that is 103, there are 4 different offenses written here, or 4 different offenses that related to property. If out of those all 4 offenses not even a single offense is committed, other than those offenses any other offense is committed, then in that case it is not necessary that you will have to cause death to the offender while using your right of private defense. This section says that you will only have to cause any harm, or you can cause harm but you cannot cause death. Okay, now we will discuss the commencement and continuance of the right of private defense of property. Section 105 of the Indian Penal Code says the right of private defense of property commences when a reasonable apprehension of danger or reasonable fear of danger to you arises, that my property will be damaged or destructed or stolen. When that fear or that apprehension starts in your mind, then the right of private defense of the property starts. Now we will discuss some cases of offenses in which the right of private defense starts. First offense is theft. The right of private defense of property against theft continues till the offender till the offender has effected his retreat with the property. Second case, the right of private defense of property against criminal trespass or mischief continues as long as the offender continues in the commission of criminal trespass or mischief. Okay. Third case, the right of private defense of property against robbery continues as long as the offender causes or attempts to cause to any person. It may be you that you have, or you are feeling that, or you are having an apprehension that death or hurt or wrongful restraint can be caused to you, or there is a fear to you, that fear of instant death or instant hurt or instant personal restraint. In that case, if that fear continues, then the right of private defense will also continue. But in the case, if all this fear ends, then the right of private defense of the property will also end. And the last case, the right of private defense of property against housebreaking by night continues as long as the house trespass which has begun by such housebreaking continues. I hope you have understood the video or the concept. If you have any doubt in this, please do comment. If you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such videos. For then, stay safe. Thank you.